This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Genesis S415. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Weber is definitely a premium grill, like 6 times the price of the Nexgrill. What are you planning on using it for?
Well, I want something for camping and maybe small backyard cookouts. The Nexgrill seems portable.
It is. The Nexgrill is a tabletop model, only about 29 pounds. The Weber, on the other hand, is a full-size grill weighing over 200 pounds. Not exactly portable.
Okay, so Nexgrill wins on portability. What about cooking space?
The Weber has a massive 820 square inches compared to the Nexgrill's 263. So if you're cooking for a crowd, Weber is the way to go. But for small gatherings, the Nexgrill might be enough.
That's a good point. And what about power?
The Nexgrill has 13,500 BTUs from its 2 burners. The Weber doesn't explicitly say its total BTU output, but it has 4 burners, and those pure blue burners are supposed to give even heat. So I'd expect more total heat output from the Weber.
Okay, so Weber's more powerful. What about features? The Nexgrill says it's a 2-in-1 griddle and grill.
Right, the Nexgrill comes with a griddle insert, which is cool for making breakfast or stir-fries. The Weber focuses on grilling, but it has a warming rack and is compatible with their Weber-crafted accessories, like pizza stones and sear grates. Those are sold separately, though.
So Nexgrill is more versatile, out of the box. What are they made of?
The Nexgrill has a cast aluminum body and cast iron grates. The Weber is all stainless steel, grates included. Stainless steel is generally more durable and rust-resistant, but can be more expensive.
Okay, and customer reviews?
The Nexgrill has pretty good reviews, around 4.4 stars, with people liking its size and ease of assembly. The Weber has a slightly higher rating, 4.6 stars, and people rave about its even heat and build quality.
So basically, the Nexgrill is a budget-friendly, portable option for small cookouts, and the Weber is a high-end, full-size grill for serious grillers.
Exactly. It all depends on your needs and budget.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.